How to fix Instagram audio saved not showing? For that, make sure to update your Instagram application first of all. If your application is not up to date, you have to go to the Play Store or App Store, which is available on your mobile device. Open it and at the top, tap on the search bar and search for Instagram. When you search and see there is open button, that means I have the updated version of Instagram application. If there is update instead of open, you just have to tap on update button and update your Instagram application. This will fix your different kind of issue that you are facing with Instagram application. The next thing you can do is you have to head on the settings of your mobile device, scroll and tap on apps, open the app management. You can manually search Instagram in this way and open the app info page of Instagram, or at the top you can see the search bar, tap on it and type in Instagram and open the app info page. Here you have to tap on storage users option and clear the cache. Tap on clear cache button and clear the cache. So this will fix your Instagram audio saved not showing. The other thing you can do is open Instagram, open any video that you want to save the audio of, then tap on three dots and you can, before that you just open the audio of this video which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. And here at the top you can see the save button. Simply you can tap on the save button at the top right corner and save the audio. In order to find that, go to profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on three-line icon at the top right corner. On the settings and activity page, tap on saved, and on the audio, you have to open the audio and you can easily find out the saved audio on Instagram. So that's how we fix Instagram audio saved not showing. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.